Uh-huh. Mm. This guy is so funny. Okay. Mm-hmm. No. Oh no. Hello? Yeah, baby girl. I'm fine. Okay. Now I'm about to wash, yes. Yeah? No, no. Okay, so what happened? You are just so funny, I swear to God. Uh-huh. They can't slay now. They can't slay. Oh, look at us. They should come and learn from us. We are always on top. Uh-huh. That's so funny. Uh-huh. You can say that again. I just love the way you are hyping me. Uh-huh. Yes, of course. Yes, now. Yeah? So she's married, finally. Mm-hmm. Slay mamas. You know me now. Me, marriage is not stopping anything. No. I'm still slaying. Yes, now I'm in this marriage, but I'm still single. Ah, the single ladies. Oh, the single ladies. Okay. No, I couldn't go to that club now. It's not my husband. This Friday, whether he likes it or not, I will be there. I'm coming. I'll be clubbing on Friday. Yes, of course.
Honey, I'm back.
I miss you guys. Seriously, I do. Mm-hmm.
Honey, I'm back.
Friends forever. Uh-huh. You know, that one likes work.
I'm back.
Sorry, you're back. How was up today? Sorry, my husband is back.
Fine.
Fine, right? Okay, your food is in the kitchen. I've already prepared food, so you can serve yourself. I'm going with my friends.
So you mean the call is more important than?
No, I've already cooked the food, please. I don't want them to know that we are calling or something.
Anyways.
All right, baby, I love you too. Yeah, that's my husband. You know him now. He just likes me to be petting him. I've already prepared his food now. No, he wasn't shouting at me. He was just telling me he loved me so much and he can't do without me. Uh-huh. Am I not so lucky? I am, right? Mm-hmm. No, my husband is not like that too. He's not like that. He allows me to slay anyhow I want. Uh-huh. You are not seeing what I'm wearing. I can wear anything and go out anytime I want to. He understands.
Honey, where's our baby?
Yes. Uh,
Where is
uh,
our baby? Drop the
I'm
call.
coming. You said he's inside now. He's sleeping.
He's not inside.
Baby, I said he's inside. Why are you behaving like this now? You want my friends to laugh at me or what? I don't like that. Hello, guys. I'm back. No. It's my television. Yes, I'm watching one series like that. So I decided.
Is that not Penya's voice I'm hearing outside?
Yes. No, okay. I will reduce the volume now. I'll reduce the volume. You can say I've reduced it already now. So, guys, yeah, I was saying, I'm so lucky. My husband is so gentle, very gentle. No, he has never shouted at me before. For what now? You know I can't take that shit.
Hey, Jesus Christ is Lord. Come here. Oh, sorry. Sorry, okay? Sorry. Crystal.
Yes.
Are you there? Please come, please. Look, see, I need you to stay with this baby, okay? See, I want you to carry him for me. I want to take my wife a lesson. Do you know that she left my child in a basket, in the dirty basket?
Oh my God, I was even sleeping. Oh my God. I've been wanting to tell you, but I just don't want to feel like I'm gossiping or something. Like the other day, that's how I came out. I was seeing smoke everywhere. She was cooking and the house almost burnt too.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you. I had to knock at the door and I saw her answering call. And the kitchen was burning. Jesus Christ.
You should have told me.
How will I tell you now? Is it to come and give you problem between you and your wife? Sorry, baby.
You know what? Please just go with the child to your room, okay? I'll just pretend as if I've not seen the child. Please, just go. Please, fast. Please. Don't worry, I know what I'm doing. God.
Cheap now, but I hope his original Bond Street too. That 2.5 is too cheap. I will manage it. Yes, of course, I will. Oh, you can say that again, sexy mama. Yeah.
Honey, I can't find Penny.
All right.
I can't find Penny. Where's Penny? Where's my son?
I'm on a group call now.
Where's my son?
Like this?
Where is he?
I just said he's upstairs. Why are you behaving like this? Oh yeah, let me end the call at least. End the call at least.
Just go and get him from upstairs right now.
No,
now. I said now. Go and get him from upstairs.
But why are you always like this? Why are you a joy killer? Why are you like this? Like I said, I'm chatting with my friends.
You still want me to talk?
I said he's upstairs.
Now go upstairs and get him for me.
He's fine.
I'm waiting. I said I'm waiting.
Babe, did you take him from
Where's my
from
son?
the room? No, he was actually sleeping before. Did you take him from there?
Are you living with a ghost? Are you
Okay,
living
no,
with a
no,
ghost?
no, no. He wasn't sleeping. He's somewhere here. Ah. And he's not even crawling yet. He was somewhere. I was about to wash it. So the basket. Oh, baby, calm down. He's outside.
Go and get him from outside.
You calm down now. Just be doing as if somebody is missing. Babe!
Where is he?
I can't find him. He's not outside. I even asked this person. I even asked Krista.
Where did you keep my son?
I don't know. Baby, calm down. Maybe you should call the police because I don't know what is going on. I am very sure that that dirty basket.
Call the police for what?
Our son is missing. Me, I don't know what is happening because I'm very sure and nobody came to the house.
Hey! Keep quiet. Now look here. Go and get my son for me right now.
No, baby, I know what I'm saying.
I said right now. Go out there, look for him. Bring him back now.
Baby, can you come?
I said get out! Get out!
Oh yeah, wait, let me explain something to you. He was sleeping, so I decided not to disturb him. I just let me go on that group call. When they call like that, I need to feel among now. You know how it is. That was how I was talking, and I remember vividly. He was sitting down here, and now when I backed him outside or something.
So you mean somebody came here and took my son from my house because of your lousy call?
That was why I said that's why I'm saying you should call the police, please. Let this thing not get out of hand, baby. Please, let's call the police.
You know what? Go out there, look for my son. If you don't see him, don't come back to my house.
No, it hasn't got
now
to
get
that
out.
now.
Get out!
Oh yeah,
get out of my house! Get out! Get out!
Can I tell you something? You say, okay, I'm sorry. I
promise
promise
not to smash the phone. No. Do you want me to smash the phone?
I just want
now
to
go out there and look for my son. Now go.
Maybe should I?
I said go. Go.
See, I overheard you telling your wife to leave. Please, I don't want you people to come and separate because of this thing. Hope you're not going to divorce her because of this thing, please. I believe she will change. Please.
Listen, Krista, I love my wife so much, alright? And I can't just divorce her because of that, alright? But she needs to learn. And that's the reason why I decided to, let her go so she can go and look for the child. So at least she'll realize that she's married and she's no longer single. She should go out there and meet those single people for now. How can a married woman be on call for 24 hours with friends? Single. People that have nothing to offer. It's not fair.
I believe she will change. She will change.
I hope so. Maybe before she comes back from there, she might have changed. I'll just call my mom to come and take care of the child while she's away.
Okay, please, but let it not be for too long, Please, I know you're angry now, but when you are calm, please call her.
Thank you.
Let her.
Thank you. I'm fine. I'm good. Alright? I've seen my baby, so I'm fine. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. Yeah. Hey, Peniel, baby.
It's so cute.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
It's all right.
I appreciate it.
Please
Thank
take
you.
care.
Yeah, I will.
All right.
Thank you.
I'll be at my flat in case you need me.
I'll be fine. Thank you. Well, if I need anything, I'll just call you.
No problem.
Thank you so
All right.
much. I appreciate
Take care
it.
of Imo.
Yeah, I will. Baby. Don't worry, mommy will be back soon, okay?